People, good morning. I'm out again, yeah? Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Here's a black man doing business outside, doing business, you know. Early morning market, check out our business place. Yes, I am there. Find the Jamaican man in there. Just ask the Owie. Anywhere you find Owie. Yeah. So, make a circle the market. The outside early. 3:30 in the morning. Market just open. And we there circle the market, you know. Yo, come on, man. Yeah, we are circle early morning market, so I go on cause want touching a carnival. So they're showing the starting a process of carnival setting up. People see there, we outside. We are go carnival. We are wash up chicken, lime, vinegar, and we are wash the seasoning them. Yeah, we are seasoning them, we are work on for we jerk. Yeah. Follow it, on the way to carnival, yeah? On the way to carnival, we are go. See there? We starting. It's a ginger, no, not ginger, scallion, thyme, and scotch bonnet pepper. Blend for the chicken. Outside, we are clean up, you know, proper clean. Follow we on the way to carnival, yeah? This is just the start of it. We on our way. Start preparing, you know, cleaning chicken. Hello. Hello. Yeah.
Joseph. I have to carry a change of clothes to put on and change of shoes to change of, yeah? Yeah, man. You see me?
Yeah, so we look like my back garden, you know, clean up.
Pre-carnival.
Yeah. Follow we on the way to the carnival, yeah? Please and thanks. Show on the rest of it on the way. Yeah? The sugar cane them there, I can't go carnival. And my fridge. Chicken them in it already. Portion. Season up. Set on the fridge. Yeah. Outside. Showing a little bit of how I buy. Yeah. See a little bit of goods there. I have to show you. You have all corn too, you know. Then you have all corn, sweet corn, yeah, watermelon, everything out. Far away on the journey to the carnival, they make you know where I'm going, yeah? Alright. Jamaica Life Abroad TV out. Checkpoint, you know? Outside I checkpoint. Jamaica Life Abroad TV, outside. Yeah. Manchester Carnival. They look like check that clip
Yeah, man, I'm talking.
Manchester Carnival. Outside. Yeah. Manchester Carnival. Outside. So I look like a lady. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Subscribe, like, and share.
Carnival. We play all different type of music. Okay? Remember, if you want food, it's that direction. And if you want drink, it's that direction. Anywhere else, they'll poison you. Yes, celebrate the carnival. Let's go, let's go. You better know.
of them. Then they have to hold the peace, you know?
on behalf of my team in the front here, Elegance team. And you know it's pure energy, you know. So we don't. Alright, somebody find a band leader. Cause it involves energy. I need some energy. I need some energy. I need some energy. I need some energy. Alright, first instruction. Everybody stop. Put your hands them up. Put your hands them up. Up, 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 up. Up. Put them up. Hey. Left. Then right. Everybody left. Alright. What was that? Hey, what's that?
So my job is licensing. So I deal with anything that takes place on the street. So that's my role. So my role is to enforce that and to advise.
You're just focusing on just your title. It's a title thing, your job,
No.
your role. You're in a pigeonhole. You're not looking at the bigger picture.
I'm not looking at the bigger picture.
No, you need to look at the
because
bigger picture. You need to raise your vibration.
We have other people that look at this.
Raise your
Black
vibration.
people become demonstrate.
Raise your vibration.
Right, so
They might bully black people in Manchester.
They
They bullying.
back.
People them can't enjoy their carnival in peace because bullying. But council say and council say.
Get away from the title.
The community supposed to can do what they want though. Stop bullying the people them.
You're working, you're doing something for somebody to make them happy. To make them happy. You need to go.
And it's a black woman here going like she white.
Advocate for us. You know what, my boss? You know, people coming from
But council.
Bristol. People like this kind of tradition. We're always trying to stop this. Even if we try to stop this, people still come out and be up here all night. How long is it going to go on for?
Okay.
How long? You're trying to stop tradition. You can't stop tradition. Your rules and your papers and your pigeonhole in the box that you're in. You need to come out of it and raise your vibration and see it higher, like what I'm saying. You're put into position to represent us. I came from Birmingham. We rent van £300. We buy almost £2,000 of stock with jerk. We have chicken. Everything just went to spoil. Where is the compassion?
That's not.
Where is the compassion? People hurting. Everybody in the community feeling the pain.
We've got the message out to people. We can't then let you come when we've told every
It's
other
not
person.
every rules is the right rules.
Well, this is the rule.
It's not, and the rules can be bent.
Not on this occasion. They're not going to be bent, unfortunately.
This is bigger than me, miss.
It is bigger than me.
This is bigger than me.
This is bigger than me.
Because this land belongs to us. It belongs to the council because they're being put in a position because we didn't know ourselves. So when we know ourselves, we assume our authority. You understand? Because this is a land of Kemet, Israel. You understand? This is a black land. But because we transgress, we lost, we get cut off from the light. We don't know who we are. So these people have to rule us and consider us as children to represent us.
Cause
So
some black
when
people
we
can
find back
represent
our
Manchester.
yeah, we can
People
see
them know we
just
are
like a little naked child. Because we can see the light in the movies, and we can see who we are. Because the God of the sun, the God of Horus, Heru, the God of Jerusalem, is the sun. So we got cut off and we don't know ourselves, or start fighting against each other. We're supposed to represent us to make things better for us. For Manchester.
But we're making it better for all, not just for you as an individual. No,
You see those
other
people who
people
run in the carnival? Sorry.
Why is surrounding me though?
Bully them come to bully people.
I feel like I'm being surrounded.
Just explain what you're explaining.
Right. I'm explaining to you. Right. This, as you should know, is a black African, not African, Caribbean. Community social event that's been going on from 1958 in this country. We don't appreciate. I don't mean it's not racist, but I don't appreciate European or they like white people or whatever coming mashing up our thing. That's what it seems like to us. And it's gonna be different next year. It's not gonna happen again. I'm part of this community. It's not gonna happen again.
Worked with the community over the last sort of like 3 years about how they want the carnival to run. Who
works?
Council, the police.
The council, the community.
I mean the dictator of the works, not the community.
Worked with the
No, not the community. No.
Yeah, we have worked
No,
with the
you've worked with
community.
people that say yes to you. Like yes, we call them yes people. Yes, man. Listen, what we do. What I'm going to do next. You're gonna see me a lot. My name is Crucial. Crucial O'Neill. That's me. Everyone knows. I'm a singer. I travel the world singing music. Everyone knows me. I've come out to the community and I've noticed that the carnival has changed. There's police, too much police. Who pays for all these police? Tax people. We pay for them. Well, what's all of, you know what I mean? All these police, no need for all these police in the community. A lot of the police around there are intimidating black people as well.
Yeah, which is right.
They're doing intimidating black people as well.
Which is right.
Now, another thing. This is a community, we don't like the pressure of, like we can't do our thing. Like I'm bringing my band out today. No, I'm bringing my band out. My live band's coming out today. Live music today.
Bring it out yourself. Bring it out yourself.
Live music coming out. My live bass band's coming out today. Live drums, live guitars, everything's coming out today.
People need to demonstrate.
I don't know, I've not decided. It's coming out today. I'm bringing my band is called. My band is called the Sword of Jamouth, man. The Sword of Jamouth. That is my band.
Well, I would advise
coming out.
that because we've been working with the community and there's all signs everywhere not to have speakers, not to have. They're up everywhere. They've been up for.
Yeah, bully them bully people.
What about their policies?
Why can't you
What
speak
about
it?
our policies?
Wait, one minute. Why can't you speak
Because it's
music?
doing a carnival and the carnival's being held inside, so everything that's
I'm gonna do it outside my house.
in your house,
Outside my house.
on our land,
On
the
your land?
council- Yeah, on the council's land.
Your land. It's my house.
Yeah, but
My land.
inside your
My land.
garden,
Not your house.
inside your garden.
I'm not here to debate it anyway. What I'm saying to you is this, yeah? Stop. I'm asking you this
own the
now.
land, but you don't know.
No, we don't.
Stop fighting against black people.
Yeah, big time. Big time.
Stop it. Stop fighting against black people's things. The Caribbean, I'm part of the Windrush.
Very disappointing.
My parents come here, fought for this country. My dad's RAF. My dad's RAF. Fight for this country. I don't expect to be treated like the black community.
They're doing it wrong, man.
Okay, patronising. You're patronising. You sound like that.
So what do you want me to say to you?
Be on my side, black.
Exactly.
You're black. Be on my side. You're black.
Support the community.
That's how it works.
Carnival.
It is a
It's not
side.
about taking
It is a side. It is a side.
It's not about
It
taking
is.
sides.
It is taking sides.
It's not taking
Because the community, listen, most of the community love music.
Yeah, they do.
And they love the culture.
And they love speakers.
Yeah.
And they love music and
Yeah.
sound.
And all that.
A lot of Caribbean
all
people
that is
love that.
taking place in the
See them
park.
talk about
No,
the
you're
park,
talking
the
about
park,
the park
the
now.
park.
The carnival's not in the park, bro. The carnival's not in the park. Original carnival.
Original.
Listen to me. You're not letting me speak now.
Original.
That's because you're bullying people into the park.
You've been speaking for a while, so
I'm only responding to what you said. Yeah, you said something. I'm
She's not
responding.
representing us, man. She's not
You're not
representing
representing
us.
us. You're not representing us, you know.
It's sad.
You're
Very sad.
it's very sad.
Very sad.
You come
You're
out
put
here
in
with this
position to
speaking
represent
thing.
us.
what you speaking,
Speaking spoken. The way you're talking, man. You're not from my side.
And one
You're not from the
bag
ghetto.
of police with
I know
that.
you're not. I can tell by the way you're talking. I've never seen you before. I'm from my side and around here all my life.
Okay.
I've never seen you before. And you come with them. You come with them like you come with
Yeah,
them
it's
as a black
wrong.
person.
What you're doing is
You're not
wrong.
representing, man.
Don't do
You're not
that.
representing. This ain't your community.
Destroying the community. And it's
This is
wrong.
not community.
And people behind you laughing at you, but
What
you
school
don't
did you go?
know.
What
They're
school did
laughing
you go
at
around
you.
here?
I went to Chorlton.
Sure, that's not around here.
Represent the community, man.
That's not around here.
I know.
So that's what I'm saying. You're part of this community. You have to go juicy or burly to be part of this community. That's what I have to see. I haven't seen it before. I'm not being funny, but I'm seeing it on the street. I'm fed up with it.
Okay.
Everywhere I go, I see no police intimidating people. That's all I do is intimidate people, right?
Is it intimidated by being in numbers?
In every way, because them a bully people.
People not
In many
enjoying
ways,
the carnival.
like before,
The numbers of people.
like before, I was
What's
riding,
intimidating?
before,
What's
I'll give you a
intimidating?
perfect example.
Yeah.
But they can't intimidate me.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you, they intimidate people. But before I was walking down there, 2 police going that way, they see me.
For you, why didn't they stop you?
Oh yeah, don't talk.
You're gonna go viral
Don't
as a black
talk,
people,
don't
as a
talk,
black
yeah, you
lady.
get, man.
Yeah.
Fire blaze,
Defending the white
Blaze,
people.
fire
Fine,
blaze,
fine. Don't worry.
What?
I'm not worried.
It's what you
When
tell
I
them
take
in the block,
over
that's
here,
what they do.
Not worried.
bully them a bully people,
Trying to
Rasta.
bully
We
people,
need
bro.
couple people more like you to
Trying to
come
bully
stand
people,
up.
bro. Trying to bully
Yeah.
people. That's all he's doing.
Yeah.
That's all he's doing.
Don't be a coconut.
And who are them? Yeah.
That's why you are. You're a coconut.
Fine.
That's all.
People need to enjoy themselves.
Okay.
People need to enjoy themselves.
Okay.
Tell them.
Okay, we've
People
been.
enjoy themselves.
Okay, so
It's
what's,
sucking all the
what's
energy.
happening now then? Because
I'm gonna
obviously
set up today.
you're not going to be able to set up today.
You're not the police, though.
unfortunately. Pardon?
You're not the police. You're not our authority.
No. But what I deal with is
Manchester
street
people need to
traders,
come out
and
and
that's
demonstrate
street
today.
trading, and it
They need to
doesn't have
demonstrate.
It's not street
permission.
trading.
It is because they're setting up.
People illegal. People illegal person in this country. Listen, I sell CDs and albums, yeah,
Yeah.
all over the country.
Okay.
I know my right. If I wanted to,
Yeah.
I could come out today as Crucial Only and promote my album. You couldn't stop me. I'd sue you.
Okay.
I'm telling you, I could come out now and promote my album.
Okay.
I just come off talk. I know what I'm talking about.
Okay.
I'm Crucial Only. Google me, YouTube me, Crucial Only. You see what I'm talking about. If I wanted to,
Yeah.
just I'm not going to because I do it other places.
Yeah.
But if I really wanted to, I'd come out and promote myself and my music and my album. If I wanted to right now.
Okay.
If I want to, and police can do nothing. Neither can the council.
Okay.
That's a fact.
Okay.
That's a fact.
Okay.
Right. They're trying to intimidate people.
So what's the
Don't answer her, man. Don't answer her, man.
I'm gonna be
Don't answer her, man.
I've got chicken gonna go off. I've got some sugar cane.
You should be saying you got to come and eat some.
I think somebody yesterday spoke to you, so you knew yesterday. So why would you come back
What are you
today?
talking about yesterday? Yesterday was yesterday. Today is
But
today.
you knew when somebody spoke to you
So
yesterday
why
that you shouldn't.
So what should I do? Accept the rules from yesterday? Whose rules? Who's making the rules? Who's making the rules?
Okay. I've explained to you, so unfortunately we're just going to be going round in circles, so I'm just going to leave it at that.
I can't stop it from moving, bro.
What I've tried to do,
You're not doing your job the right way.
what I've tried to do is just
very
advise you
disappointing.
so that things just work out differently. So I've spoken to you to try and advise you.
And I'm advising you to
Okay.
know yourself.
Okay.
What's your name? What's your name?
Margaret.
Margaret. Who you work for?
You're not
Council.
Manchester City Council yet.
So are you representing? Do you come to represent someone? Now I'm asking you a question. Have you
No.
come because? So why do you come?
Because I was dealing with something else over there
Yeah.
and saw this happening, and that's my role. I deal with street
Are you Caribbean?
What's this?
I need to know. Yeah, I need to know.
Portland, Jamaica. Not that. That's
Portland, Jamaica. Say
Oh.
it with me.
That's
What
not
part
a
of Portland are you
thing.
from?
That's not a
What
thing.
part of Portland are you
Oh,
come
she
from?
look like she not go back.
Excuse me. What part of Portland are you come from?
How's that going to resolve this situation?
I'm on about. I'm from
Fine.
Portland.
Yeah, that's fine.
So I'm asking you, what part of Portland are you from? I'm from Portland, Jamaica.
Okay,
So I'm asking you.
This has got nothing. Like
I didn't
yesterday,
say
I
it
was.
did.
Okay.
I'm just
well,
asking a simple
that's
question.
fine. That's
What
fine.
part of Portland are you from?
Yeah, I don't think she's got a black family.
What part of Portland are you from, though? I'm from
Right.
Portland.
This doesn't have any relevance to the situation, though. You kind of.
Yo, I'm from Portland. I'm from Portland. Where are you from, Portland? What part of Portland are you from?
Like,
I'm from
you're
Rockall,
not
Portland.
discussing the situation. It's not really fair to be personally targeted when she's trying to do a job.
Personal target.
Yeah, because you're talking about a background of ethnicity.
I said,
saying
no, I'm from
it's
Portland.
not really
Listen to me.
bad.
Excuse
Well,
me.
that
Film
doesn't-
this.
but what I'm
Film
trying
this.
to
Film
say-
this.
Yeah, I'm from
Listen,
here.
I'm from
That
Portland.
doesn't make any difference to this situation, does
I'm
it?
on about this. That's finished now.
I'm from Commodore.
Right,
so
you
there
finally
go.
said it. Well, is that a crime, to ask you that?
How does this help anything that's happening?
Because you might know my family, I might know your family. You're from
You
Portland.
probably do know my
You're
family.
from Portland, Jamaica. Never mind, these
You
Europeans.
probably do know my family, but.
I'm from Portland. You're from Portland,
Yeah,
Jamaica.
yeah.
The Caribbean.
Yeah.
You're from the Caribbean. I'm from the Caribbean. You're not European. You're Asian. You're not European. You're Asian.
And them alone get blind boy,
I
man.
already talked to you and said that.
Yeah.
I don't
Laughing
think
like
it's
an
gonna.
idiot. Right?
It's not going to help anything.
What
now,
I'm
so
saying to
gonna
you,
leave it now.
I'm saying to you, right? I'm not here to argue with you.
Yeah.
I'm just saying to you, this is a Caribbean enjoyment day.
Okay.
Please don't try and spoil the fun for people.
I've come to try and advise to avoid any disruption, anything
There's no
else.
disruption.
Okay, well that's fine.
no
I've given
disruption.
my advice to the gentleman that was setting up.
There's no disruption.
Pardon?
It's people eating food.
So,
Is it disruption? Are we disrupting anything here?
No. I come to do advice here, so there's no disruption.
Can you give away food? What about giving away food?
Yeah. But you just can't be set up on our street furniture on our land. That's all.
Your land.
Yeah,
On the
each
council's
come back
land.
again, come say it
On the
again.
council's land. I'm not going to say my
Your
land. On the
land.
council's
Your
land.
land.
You know what I mean?
Your land.
On the council's
You
land.
really believe in your role, don't you?
Pardon? That's all right. You can have your opinion.
I'm not going to forget you guys. You're just doing your job. Basically.
We all doing our job.
Getting paid. And so are they.
Yeah. But we all have to operate within the law, don't we?
I mean, they're not breaking the
Bravo,
law.
where you come
They're
from?
breaking the law.
What nation is
They ain't breaking the law.
a police?
They ain't breaking the law. That's not breaking the law. That's not breaking the law.
We don't know.
That's not breaking the law, man. That's not criminal law, anyway. And you can't even call it a civil law, neither. You can't call it civil, and you can't call it criminal.
We don't love black people. Let them enjoy themselves. Love black people, let them enjoy themselves. That's enough for them. And she was a coconut head one day.
About you guys, innit?
But she come from
I don't
Portland.
like the intimidation. They don't like it.
Yeah, that's what they want to
We're
do.
not trying to.
Of course, you're not intimidating people.
You know what they're doing?
No, it's what he said to you when I made a comment. You laughed.
Yeah.
You laughed when I said something.
I said, right, you said, these lot are all European, and all I said is I've never been described like that before. So that's all I said.
Well, I'm talking about
I was only trying to find a bit.
Well, I'm talking about you,
I
innit?
know, but I was only trying to find
Alright, no problem. It's alright.
I ain't trying to intimidate you.
Yeah, respect
You can't intimidate me.
I know, but that's not what I'm here for, am I?
No one can intimidate me.
Okay.
I only pay a cost.
What I'm saying, that's not what I'm here to try and do. I know.
The police don't want to stop us.
I know most of you don't really want to do this. Just don't do it. I know that. Most of you don't want to do it.
Yeah, Carnival starts second day out, you know. The police them a give you a fight. Big fight. See lady where I fight with her. See Westmoreland lady here.
One person from each.
See Westmoreland lady where I fight with her. And the boss. The boss say we have a fight with black people. They might pressure black people.
I'm not pressuring her.
I mean, they might pressure black people.
It's a private conversation.
Yeah, that's not private night because they might pressure black people out there.
Okay.
So not private night. Not private night. So I mean, no worry.
No community thing.
Yeah, community.
This is private though.
No, not private out there. Yeah, what kind of private?
What I'm trying to say, listen.
Don't do that, man.
You know
Yeah.
what? Hitler, you know what I'm going to say this?
Yeah.
Right? When we're putting out fires and we're standing as Radio Diamond, we don't see nobody.
No, I want somebody to, yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. She just said it's private. The street party. Street party? It's a private, nobody's supposed to get involved in the conversation. She says a street. He says private, it's Radio Diamond, and it's private. This is Carnival.
Yeah, public people thing.
Ask her. You have to explain that. You have to explain the conversation which you have with her.
Yeah.
The conversation which you have with her, has nothing to do with us. Everybody. It's just personal with them. Everybody. White, black, people, everybody. So you come a long time?
No, man, you see him up, you come up. No, yeah.
It's private. We should not see this. Not good. It's not good. We should all on the same page. Private. So I'm being open. Hold on, bedroom. You know about me? I'm me put it on the street, you know. I'm me put the street party on the road, you know. I'm me the one who put it on the street. I'm going to say private. I'm me started.
Me start the street party. Since I want to go so far. And me start the street party.
Oh, why?
Why them not allow black people, man? The black people survive. Why them not leave black people alone? Work what, man? Work what? Where work with them out there? I mean, where work with them out there? Work, man? Work them bumbo clad. I'll tell you. Outside Jamaica Life Abroad TV. You know, we're still in Manchester. They go on wicked still, but we're outside. Hang out with the thugs, you know? Yeah, council go on mad. But we have to do what we have to do. You know what I mean? Carnival good. Jamaica Life Abroad TV. Outside, like Carnival scene. The whole scene, you know? Dirty. Real dirty and mucky. Outside. See Rumby there? Yeah. Richie place, yeah. Corner, you know? B2. I'll say we catch a little piece of park today. Yeah, Manchester Carnival, see you look there. Outside I gate to go in. So judge inside. Outside, see how we have to go in. You know we are going inside. Manchester Carnival. Search before entry. Search before entry.
Carnival. Jamaican Abroad TV. One Jungle. Carnival setting mad.
This is a journey into sound.
Is that what we started doing all professional?
This is a journey into
Started all professional.
a journey which along the way will bring to you new flair, new dimension, new value.
Ready!
You know when getting, I told this switch, pop off the volume, pop off the volume.
With this kind of play, with this kind of style.
Pop off the volume, pop off the volume.
cook over your spot, mileage. And them a cook over it this year. Mileage, the police a jerk over your spot this year.
Thanks for watching Jamaica Life Abroad TV. Please like, share, and subscribe.